When was the last time you Googled something? Probably today, right? For over 2 decades, Google has been the undisputed gateway to the internet, processing billions of searches daily. But what if the way we search for information is about to change forever? AI-powered search engines like Perplexity AI, Google Gemini, and ChatGPT Search are revolutionizing how we find answers. Instead of sifting through endless links, AI search delivers instant conversational responses, which means no clicking is required. But is this the future of search, or is it a passing trend? Today, we're diving deep into the AI search revolution. We'll explore how these new tools work, their advantages and limitations, and whether they pose a real threat to Google's dominance. Could AI search engines reshape the internet as we know it? Or will Google evolve and maintain its reign? Let's find out how the world of search is evolving. In recent years, AI-powered search engines have emerged as a formidable alternative to Google's traditional search method. These engines, like Perplexity AI, Google Gemini, and ChatGPT Search, promise to revolutionize the way we interact with search. Unlike traditional search engines, which provide lists of links to search results, AI-powered search engines deliver direct answers, often in a conversational tone based on your query. Instead of opening multiple tabs and reading through articles, you get concise, accurate, and contextually relevant information right away. The concept of AI search isn't new. AI has been incorporated into Google's search algorithm for years, but it was more about improving search results rather than completely changing the search process itself. However, with advancements in natural language processing and machine learning, AI search engines are now able to generate answers rather than simply link to content. For example, when you ask a question on ChatGPT or Perplexity AI, you get a direct text-based response rather than a page full of links. This shift is huge. Instead of simply pointing you in the right direction, these AI-powered search engines are trying to answer your query as directly and accurately as possible. But what sets AI search apart from traditional search engines like Google? Traditional search engines, including Google, are built on complex algorithms that crawl the web, indexing content and ranking it according to relevance and authority. These rankings determine which websites appear at the top of the search results. But with AI search, the focus shifts. Instead of ranking web pages, the AI engine itself generates answers based on a combination of its training data and real-time information. Essentially, you're getting the knowledge distilled into a simple response. Now, let's talk a bit about Google's dominance in search. In the early 2000s, Google revolutionized search by prioritizing relevant results over spammy content, and this set it apart from competitors like Yahoo and AltaVista. Its PageRank algorithm allowed Google to provide users with search results based on the quality of the content, not just the frequency of keywords. This innovation led to Google's rise to dominance and cemented its place as the go-to search engine for millions of people worldwide. Google's success didn't stop with its search engine. It expanded its reach into advertising with Google Ads, which has become a key part of its business model. This system allows businesses to bid for prominent ad space in search results, ensuring that companies could drive traffic to their websites. This advertisement-based revenue model has made Google incredibly profitable, while also offering businesses a powerful platform to reach their target audiences. However, this reliance on ads is also a reason why Google's traditional search system is being challenged by AI-powered search engines. The way Google organizes and prioritizes content is deeply tied to its revenue model, and this model may soon become outdated in the face of AI's ability to provide direct answers to users' queries. So, why is AI search now a threat to Google's dominance? The short answer lies in the fact that users are becoming more interested in efficiency. When people perform searches on Google, they often have to click through multiple results, filtering out irrelevant content, advertisements, and websites with outdated or inaccurate information. AI search engines, on the other hand, promise to give users direct, relevant answers without the extra work. For instance, Instead of having to click through multiple sources to understand the weather forecast or find out who starred in a particular movie, AI search engines can offer the answer in a single sentence. A closer look at AI search and traditional search reveals key differences that could redefine how we access information. One of the most notable differences between AI search and traditional search is how results are presented. In traditional search, you type a query, and Google provides a list of links ranked by relevance. You then have to sift through those links, click on them, and read through articles or web pages to find the information you need. This process can be time-consuming and frustrating, especially if you don't know exactly what you're looking for. With AI search, however, the results are much more immediate. Instead of providing links, AI engines like ChatGPT or Perplexity AI generate direct answers to your query. You no longer need to click through multiple websites to gather the information you're seeking. The AI does all the legwork by pulling together knowledge from its vast data sources and providing a direct response. For example, if you ask an AI search engine for the capital of France, it will immediately tell you Paris, without requiring you to visit multiple websites. Another key difference is how AI-powered search engines handle ads. Google's search results are heavily influenced by paid advertisements. Businesses pay to have their websites appear at the top of search results, which can sometimes mean that users are more likely to encounter ads than actual content. AI search engines, by contrast, focus on providing accurate and relevant answers without the distraction of advertisements. While there may still be some advertising in the future of AI search, the primary focus remains on delivering the information quickly and efficiently. But the AI search model isn't without its flaws. One of the biggest challenges of AI search is the potential for misinformation. While AI search engines are trained on vast amounts of data, they can still hallucinate information. This means that they might generate answers that sound plausible but are actually incorrect. This is particularly true when AI search engines attempt to generate responses based on incomplete or outdated data. Unlike traditional search engines, which give users access to a variety of sources, AI-powered search engines provide a single, synthesized answer that may or may not be accurate. Coming up in this video are the pros and cons of AI search. One of the biggest advantages of AI search is speed. With traditional search, users must wade through multiple links and pages to get the information they need. AI search, on the other hand, provides answers almost instantly. It's much more conversational and intuitive, and because it eliminates the need to navigate multiple websites, it saves users time. AI search engines also make it easier to refine your queries in a more natural, human way, as they understand context and intent better than traditional search engines. Finally, there's the issue of monetization. While Google's revenue model is built on ads, it remains unclear how AI search engines will monetize their services. Will they display ads within the answers? Will they charge for premium services? These are questions that need to be answered before AI search engines can truly challenge Google. So, could AI search engines truly replace Google in the future? It's a question that sparked debate within the tech industry. The company has already begun integrating AI into its own search engine with tools like Google Gemini, which aims to blend AI-driven results with traditional search. Google's deep understanding of user behavior, vast resources, and established infrastructure give it a significant edge in the race to innovate within AI-powered search. In one possible scenario, Google adapts and survives by incorporating AI into its existing search model, striking a balance between traditional search results and AI-generated answers. This would allow Google to leverage its existing infrastructure while meeting the growing demand for faster, more accurate search results. In another scenario, AI-powered search engines could disrupt Google's monopoly, providing a serious challenge to its dominance and reshaping how we access information. So there we have it. As AI-powered search engines continue to evolve, it's clear that the future of search is changing. Whether AI will replace traditional search is still up for debate, but one thing is certain: Google's reign over search is no longer guaranteed. So, what do you think? Will AI-powered search engines eventually replace traditional search engines like Google, or is it just a passing trend? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Our next video dives into an AI breakthrough you won't want to miss.